Hello everyone, I'm Yuko from Japan. Now I'm teaching Japanese in the Netherlands. When we start to learn a foreign language, we think how I should do that, what I should start with. So today I'd like to introduce you something very basic for beginners. That is Hiragana. So there are 50 letters in Japanese, like alphabet in English. Japanese consists of 50 characters. So this is Japanese syllabary. Okay. A, I, U, E, O. This is a vowel column. And this column is consonant. For example, A, I, U, E, O is just only a vowel. And Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko. For example, Ka is K plus A. Ka, Ki is K plus I. Ki, like that. So today we study A. So how to write A? Like that, 3 times. Just first A. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now you can write A. Please try to write it down. Okay? A is Hiragana A and Katakana A. Figure is different. So A is used like that. And in Japanese, Ari. This is A. Okay. I hope you enjoyed learning Japanese. So see you next time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.